Why is choosing the right project management tool important?
Selecting the right project management tool can make teamwork smoother, improve communication, and increase productivity. The right platform provides structure, keeps tasks organized, and ensures everyone stays on track. Choosing a tool that fits your team's needs can also reduce frustration, save time, and help you deliver successful projects consistently.
What key features should you look for?
The essential features to consider include task management, team collaboration, file sharing, and integration with tools you already use. Look for customizable workflows, easy-to-understand dashboards, and reliable notifications. Some teams need time tracking, Gantt charts, or resource management, so prioritize features based on your specific workflow and goals.
How should team size and work style influence your choice?
Larger teams often benefit from tools with advanced permissions, role settings, and robust reporting. Smaller or agile teams might prefer simplicity and quick setup. Consider how your team communicates and your preferred project methodology, such as agile, waterfall, or Kanban, when evaluating different tools, as not every platform supports every style equally.
What is a simple process for selecting the best tool?
Start by listing your team's needs, priorities, and challenges. Shortlist a few tools that align with these requirements. Take advantage of free trials or demos and involve your team in testing them out. Gather feedback, then compare features, ease of use, pricing, and customer support before making a final decision.
Are security and integration important factors?
Absolutely. Choose a tool that keeps your data safe with reliable security measures, such as encryption and secure access controls. Make sure it integrates with your existing apps, like email, calendars, or file storage. Smooth integration saves time and reduces the risk of manual errors, streamlining your team's entire workflow.